night to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but
Good morning everybody. So here I'm in Switzerland, and you don't get to work out when you are out and traveling. And yes, you walk a lot of it, but definitely you eat the same amount of calories, so it gets very hard to maintain your fitness levels. So I prefer to complete the workout and do at least 20 to 25 minutes of warm-up in morning itself, and that's what I did today. So basically we are heading towards wherever we have to go for sightseeing at 12:30. Till then we are here, and I did about 20 minutes of warm-up and workout. I'm going to show you that, so that whenever you are out traveling, you can do this workout and feel less guilty. So yes, that's it. Let's quickly go. And if you want to see more of my Instagram, like reels about my vacation, my travel, and a lot of all that stuff, you can check out my Instagram page. My Instagram page will be here. Both of my Instagram pages, I am putting a lot of stories, a lot of reels about how I'm traveling, how is this Europe trip going, and yes, we'll see you soon.
makes it worth slow it down. Tell yours you want the ride. 'Cause those stops and those bounces, what makes it worth the while. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.